Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Empress. Yeah, that's me, and I'm back with another video. And today we're just gonna be showing you guys how I installed my wig that I made. If you want a wig, honey, let me know. But yeah, so I'm just brushing it back right now as we speak, and just brushing, trying to get all the tangles, the knots. Don't mind my bootleg wig head stand. We just gonna ignore that and just keep on brushing and just keep it going. So now at this point, we're gonna go ahead. Originally I was gonna blow dry and make this straight as possible, but turns out it's not as easy as it looks. But anyways, I'm just putting some heat protectant as I'm using the blow dry, because just because this is not your hair or not on top of your head, don't mean that this head can't get heat damage, because it will, and that's how your wigs don't last long. Thank you, you're welcome. So yeah, so now at this point, I'm trying to blow dry it out. I'm combing and blow drying out, and yeah, this is as far as it went right here. So now I just wanted to show y'all the wig. Yeah, so this is as far as it went, and I'm just gonna brush it out to make sure all the tangles are out. And I went ahead and did a little 360 for you guys. Ooh, it's still weird. Okay, and put it right back on. Anyway, so I took my my hot comb, and I'm just brushing back the hairs that I want out of my way and combing down my baby hair, so I could just make it easier to do the application. Alright, so at this point, the wig is pretty much prepped. I'm going to go ahead and put on my wig cap. There I go. And I'm just going to put my foundation on my wig cap. And I went ahead and applied the wig on top of my head. And then you can tell I got to be glue spray. I'm not mixing with that real glue no more, for goodness, because I don't know if I'm tripping or what. But it looked like they took out my edges. I don't know. But anyways, moving along. So I'm just going to use the got to be glue spray, and I'm just gonna put my blow dryer and my comb, and we're just gonna let it loose. And mind you, as you see, I'm doing this in sections. I'm not trying to do it all in one time, because what's going to happen is the spray is going to be all over the place, honey. So for this step, this whole process right here, putting on the wig, I didn't want to cut any parts of it out, because I wanted y'all to be able to see how I actually did it. And when you try to do it, you can follow along, because some people are moving just a little bit too fast for me on YouTube, and I just like, hold up now, what did you just do? Your thing. But yeah, so this is just me just laying on the entire wig and how I do it. So I hope y'all can keep up. Okay, so right here, I'm just making my part a little bit more crispy, honey. Then I'm going to take my hot comb and just, flatten that out. Thank you. Alright, so I'm using my edge booster at this point. I'm just going to use this to catch all my flyaways and all that while I'm doing the hot combing process. And I'm going to put it on top of my head and on the sides where the edges are. Alright, so this is what I mean by putting it on the sides with the head booster. Y'all see how it's already coming together? Alright, now I'm just taking my Got To Be glue spray and I'm just going to spray in the same places that I put the edge booster. And one more time, I'm going to go back with my hot comb and just comb everything back. And this is how I get everything crisp and get everything to stay where it's at. So when I actually, do these little baby hairs, nothing don't get in my way, or the long hairs don't get tangled up into my baby hairs and things of that nature. So this is what I do. And I'm just going to take my comb and just brush everything the way that I want it to look. Hot comb what needs to be hot comb. And baby, I'm doing it. And I'm doing it well. Alright, so now I'm just taking my hair mousse. I think it's a mousse or a foam or whatever. The name of it would be, I think it's tropical something. I can't remember, honey, but it's gonna be in the description box, of course. And I'm just gonna put this through my hair. Mind you, like I told y'all, I tried to straighten my hair. Oh, pause. Let me just go ahead and put this hair tie on real quick. But like I was saying, I was trying to straighten my hair. You can see the back. I don't know if you could really tell, but I tried to straighten the back. It wasn't really working out. And it was taking too long. My baby was crying hysterically. And I just went ahead and waited again because I didn't have time to be doing all that extra stuff. I really should have just straightened. If I want, but okay, pause. If you want to straighten your hair, honey, do it on the wig. Don't do it on your head because, do it on the wig head. Don't do it on your head because it's too much work. Anyways, but yeah, so I'm just spraying my thing and just getting it wet and getting my curls back. Mind you, you can tell by the front, all the hot combing and blow drying and the stuff, it made it. You could tell the difference. The back is way curlier than the front once I'm done. But that's what I mean by the heat damage. It worked itself out. Like at the end, you can see where everything looks cute and everything looks curly. But this is what I mean when I say that you need to take care of the hair because it can get heat damage as well. You're welcome. Alright, so then I'm gonna use the same foam that I used to put in my hair to get it curly, and I'm gonna use it to lay down my edges as well. But then I realized, baby, you just use got to be glue spray. Once that thing get wet again, it's not gonna, nothing's gonna be laid. So I eventually just stopped doing that, and I just use my edge booster. There we go, honey. And I just wiped it with my finger and then put it where I wanted to do it. And to my little brush. Every girl got this brush. If you got one of these brushes and you do your edges, I don't know what you're doing. We don't do them old toothbrushes no more. We went to the beauty supply store and they made brushes for this. Okay, they made this for the girls. Okay, period. But yeah, this is what I'm using, and I'm just gonna go ahead and try to do these edges. I'm not the best at the edges as of yet, but baby, just believe I will be in a minute. But yeah, so yeah, that's what I'm just doing my little baby hairs and keeping it cute, sis. Alright, y'all, so this basically sums it up. I went ahead and laid my edges the best way that I could. And like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And this is the finished look. Yes, honey, with my baby. If you make it to the end, you a real OG. Bye.